Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today I am going to prepare egg chowmein. For that, first of all, boil some chowmein, boil some water and add the noodles and boil them also. First boil them. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. After that, take the chowmeins out of the kettle to a bowl. Okay. After taking the noodles out of the chowmein out of the kettle, add some oil, 1 teaspoon of oil, and mix this well. And keep aside. Okay. After that, in a bowl, take eggs. Break the eggs and pour them into this. Now in the egg, add some salt, some chili powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now mix this well. Mix this well, guys. Now in the kettle, take 1 to 2 teaspoon of oil. Add the eggs to it. You have to be very careful with this. You have to stir this continuously, otherwise it can burn. Do like this till this egg is done. Okay. Yes, guys. Now the egg bhurji is ready. Now take this to a bowl. After that, heat some oil. Add some mustard seeds. Some cumin seeds. Garlic. Red chili and onions. Fry until the onion turns light brown color. Yeah. Now, before that, add the vegetables also. Fry till the onion turns light brown color. Okay. After that, add the noodles to the kettle. Okay. Add them. After that, add salt. some red chili powder, garam masala powder, and turmeric powder, and mix this well, guys. Now the tasty egg chowmein is ready, guys. Now take this to a bowl. Now the egg chowmein is ready, guys. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.